Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So the episode we got this cool mid right here, and basically what this is the dreamcatcher. So first thing, I should open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so once you take it out, this actually looks like inside. So this right here is dreamcatcher, and right here they provide guys an accessory. So this one you guys want to mount it onto the wall if you guys want to hang it on somewhere. And then right here they provide guys the fairy light that you can light on the actual product if you guys want to. But let me fully open up this part right here to show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you see right here they have the slot for you to hang it on somewhere if you guys want to. And right here we do have a very nice little moon design, and the same thing for right here as well. And right here you see the way how they designed it, have this very nice weave, and it hangs pretty far as well. And for those of you guys who are curious about what is the meaning of the dreamcatcher, it's supposed to mean that you're praying for peace and for good luck. So this is what the product looks like once you guys take it out. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the LED light strips or the fairy light, you can definitely put it on here as well. So that way it actually lights up the product. So I'm actually take this out as well. So once we take it out, you guys can see that this is what the fairy light looks like. So you wrap this product around the product. Let me show you how to do it. So the way how you guys do it is very simple. You guys can just have this part hanging in the bottom right here and just decorate how you guys want to. Slip it through the holes right here. You guys can definitely just play around with it and decorate how you guys want to in terms of the fairy light right here. And it's not even required for you guys to put it on if you guys don't want to. But if you guys do want to make it a little nicer, you can definitely do that on here. Alright, so I'll just leave it like that for now because I don't want to put too much effort into it. Once you guys have it all set up, you guys can push on this switch right here and it activates the light. So you see once you guys put the light on here, it looks so much better. So you can definitely take your time to decorate it however you guys want to in terms of the fairy light if you guys want to. And obviously you can definitely hang it wherever you guys want to. If you guys want to hang it in your bedroom, your living room, or anywhere else. Wherever you guys want to hang it, that is up to you guys. But this is what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. So here is another point of view of what the product looks like once you guys set it up. It definitely looks a lot nicer once you guys set the fairy lights on the actual product. You can see right here. So now that you're unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a dreamcatcher that looks something like this, then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.